Hey everyone, welcome to Builders Plus. Today in this video I am going to giving you a demo about how to use the Builders Plus. So let's dive into the topics. So Builders Plus will be application for the all the real estate builders. So this application will be apt only if you are worrying about you are spending a lot on your accounting software, if you are struggling with managing your daily activities and expenses, and if you are looking for an application that will be apt for your daily task managing material expenses and labor wages, this application will be suit for you. So what Builders Plus will do? So Builders Plus help real estate builders to achieve their online presence and tracking their daily activities and daily expenses in this portal, so that they can easily manage their expenses, money inflow, and they can see the reports to understand where they have to focus in terms of material consumption and job works without having to invest heavily in the application. So this application, this Builders Plus, is absolutely free for all the builders. So what are the features are available in the Builders Plus is, so Builders Plus a portal you can maintain all your clients, material suppliers and subcontractors data. If you want to see client wise expenses and material consumption, you can do it in this portal. In this Builders Plus portal, you can get the 20 plus multi-dimensional reports, a complete management of site accounts, company's expenses, client details, suppliers and subcontractor details. All the reports you can get it in a customized way. If you want, you can enable email reports also. And this Builders Plus application is a free for 1 year subscription. And also in this portal you will get a forum discussion with like-minded people, so that if you want to discuss with other builders, here the way you can do in this Builders Plus portal. Also you have a blog and you can maintain the builders network in this portal. So currently we have a web portal which is buildersplus.in. I will show you the demo. And also we have a mobile application which is version 1.0. Currently the application is not supported. We are developing a version 2.0. Due to corona issue, it's getting delay. So please stay with us for the further updates on the mobile application. So currently you can use the portal. The portal also will be mobile compatible, so that you can manage your data in your mobile phone itself. No need to carry your laptop. With your mobile phone you can update your data from your site. So if you are interested, you can drop your contact details in this URL. Anyway, I will share this URL in below to the description.